What's up guys, this is Kevin O'Toole and this is my week 2 discussion video for Java 1 term 1405. Okay, so what do I plan on doing this week? What are my plans with this project? My plans are I plan on using either the Instagram or Flickr, and there was a third one I was looking at, I can't remember the name right now, but using those APIs for my app this week. Right now I'm going to just walk you through my app. Right now I have it set up where they can choose a category. Right now it's defaulted by username, but they could choose a category. Either it's going to either be one of the objects or it's going to be something that they can implement on a search view. The category is just going to give them a quick look, or there will be a search option for them to type in a search and pull from that API. Right now I have it as usernames or city or state, just looking up stuff by that. If they click on, say, username, and then they click on one of the list items, it'll populate, and right now I just have it saying, congratulations, you selected username, blah, blah, blah. And then I do have a button here that if they were to select, it would say, you want to view the details, question mark, check back again next week, for next week's project. Hopefully, instead of having this view button, though, I'll have it so where they click on the list item and it'll pull up the details, either below or figure something out. I do have it that if they change categories, that all disappears down here, and it won't show again until you click on another item in the list view. So going over my code here, here's my JSON enum, and it's just basic right now. It's just four people with their username, their city, and their state. I have that all set. Here's my JSON data. Here we're building the JSON, and then coming down here I have actually 1, 2, 3 JSON arrays, so that it would do the username, the city, and the state all separately. I was working with the JSON object in the beginning, but I was having trouble getting what I wanted to populate, and I'm sure it has something to do with parsing the JSON, which I just didn't have time to try to learn this on my own. So I decided to just stick with the JSON arrays. Here I have my string set up. This is my header string, my button text string, the results of clicking on a list item, the button message if they click on the button, and here is my array for my spinner. And then we'll just come back to the activity here. Here I have all my global variables. I'm calling my constants here, and here I'm initializing my first linear layout and how I want it set up. Here I'm creating the header, and then I'm actually adding the header to the view right away. And then here I create my list view, but I don't call it or do anything with it. I'm just setting the parameters. Here I'm creating my button, the detail view button, but again I'm not doing anything with it. And then I'm creating my spinner adapter, then creating the spinner, and inside the spinner I'm calling the on item selected. There I have if statements. If the category selected is equal to username, then it's going to call the JSON array for usernames. If the category is a city, it's going to pull the JSON array for city, or if the category is state, it's going to pull the JSON array for state. Then I have down here, I have the on-click method for the button, and right now it's just putting up the toast for if they want to view it next week. Here I'm adding my text view. I still have not added it to anything yet. If we come back up here, you can see in the beginning of my if statements, on the click of the spinner, I have my result view setting that to blank, which I learned after I could set the visibility, and that's what I do it on the buttons. If you come up here for my button, the main view on the button is gone, so that means it's just off the page. And then I want to show it when they actually click on a list item. So here I have detail set visibility to visible, and I have that in all my different arrays here. And then here we're adding all the views to the linear layout, and that is my code in a nutshell. There was a lot I could have used clarification on this week. I I don't know how many websites and how many tutorials and how many YouTube videos and lynda.com videos I watched to try to get everything squared away. I'm hoping the videos and the tutorials in the coming weeks are much better. Other than that, hope everybody's doing well, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.